DSLR camera for filmmaking. Essential features. Introduction. In the world of filmmaking, the DSLR camera has revolutionized the way stories are captured and told on the screen. From independent filmmakers to big-budget productions, DSLR cameras have become a popular choice due to their versatility, ease of use, and exceptional image quality. However, with an overwhelming number of options available in the market, it can be challenging to identify the essential features that make a DSLR camera perfect for filmmaking. In this article, we will explore some key features that any aspiring filmmaker should consider in a DSLR camera. 1. Sensor size and image quality. One of the most crucial factors to consider when choosing a DSLR camera for filmmaking is the size of the camera sensor. The large sensor allows more light to enter, resulting in better low-light performance and improved dynamic range. Full-frame sensors are generally preferred for their ability to capture more details and produce a shallower depth of field, which adds a professional cinematic look to the footage. However, APS-C and Micro Four Thirds sensors also offer excellent image quality at a more affordable price point. 2. Resolution and bit depth. Resolution plays a significant role in filmmaking, especially in today's era of 4K content. Higher resolution not only provides more detail, but also allows for cropping and reframing during post-production without sacrificing quality. It is recommended to look for a camera that offers at least 1080p Full HD or 4K Ultra HD resolution options. Additionally, the bit depth of a camera determines the color information it can capture. The higher bit depth, such as 10-bit or 12-bit, allows for a wider color range, resulting in better color grading capabilities and smoother gradients in post-production. 3. Manual controls and customization. Filmmakers often require precise control over various settings such as aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and focus. Therefore, it is essential to choose a DSLR camera that offers extensive manual controls and customization options. Look for a camera that allows you to easily adjust these settings and assign custom buttons for quick access to frequently used functions. This flexibility empowers filmmakers to achieve their creative vision accurately. 4. Focus and autofocus. Achieving sharp and accurate focus is crucial in filmmaking. While manual focus is preferred by many professionals due to its precision, modern DSLR cameras have greatly improved their autofocus capabilities. Look for a camera with advanced autofocus features, such as face and eye detection, reliable tracking, and continuous autofocus during video recording. These features can save time on set and ensure that your subject remains in focus even during fast-paced action sequences. 5. Stabilization. Camera stabilization is vital to capture steady and smooth footage, whether you are shooting handheld or using a tripod. In-body image stabilization, IBIS technology compensates for camera shake by moving the camera's sensor, resulting in less jittery footage. Look for a camera with built-in stabilization or consider investing in lenses with optical stabilization for further stabilization options. 6. Audio inputs and monitoring. Sound is often overlooked but plays an equally essential role as visuals in filmmaking. Look for a DSLR camera that provides audio input options, such as a 3.5mm microphone input or XLR connectors, to record high-quality audio directly into the camera. Additionally, having a headphone jack for real-time audio monitoring ensures that you capture clean audio during the shoot. 7. Connectivity and accessories. Consider the connectivity options available on the DSLR camera. Look for features like built-in Wi-Fi, which allows you to transfer files wirelessly or control the camera remotely through a smartphone app. Additionally, having a camera with a clean HDMI output enables you to connect external monitors and recorders for more comprehensive monitoring and higher quality video capture. 8. Battery life and power options. When it comes to filmmaking, it's crucial to have a DSLR camera with a reliable battery life. You don't want to run out of power in the middle of a shoot, causing disruptions and potentially missing important shots. Look for a camera that has long battery life or consider investing in additional batteries to extend shooting time. 9. Durability and weather sealing. Filmmaking often involves shooting in various environments, sometimes under challenging conditions. Therefore, it's essential to have a DSLR camera that can withstand harsh environments and accidental bumps and drops. Look for a camera that is well built and features weather sealing to protect it from dust and moisture. This will ensure that your camera remains reliable and functional throughout your filmmaking journey. 10. Ergonomics and user-friendly design. Comfort and usability are crucial factors to consider when choosing a DSLR camera for filmmaking. Look for a camera with an ergonomic design that feels comfortable in your hands and allows for easy access to essential controls. The user-friendly interface and intuitive menu system will save you time and frustration, enabling you to focus on your creative process rather than technical difficulties. 11. Lens compatibility and system support. The lens is a vital component of any DSLR camera system. Consider the variety and availability of lenses that are compatible with your chosen camera. Different lenses offer unique focal lengths and optical characteristics, allowing you to achieve different creative looks and perspectives. Additionally, check for the support and ecosystem surrounding your desired camera system, including accessories, software, and customer support. The widespread and well-supported camera system can provide you with more options and resources to enhance your filmmaking experience. 12. Price and budget considerations. While it's important to consider all the features mentioned above in a DSLR camera for filmmaking, it's equally essential to find a camera that fits your budget. Determine your budget and research cameras within that price range, weighing the features and capabilities they offer. Remember that there are often trade-offs between price and features, so prioritize what matters most to your specific filmmaking needs. It's possible to find a camera that meets your requirements without breaking the bank. 13. Post-production support and workflow. When choosing a DSLR camera for filmmaking, it is crucial to consider the post-production compatibility and workflow support it offers. Check if the camera's footage is easily compatible with industry-standard editing software, such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Additionally, look for camera features like log profiles or high-quality codec options that provide more flexibility during color grading and editing processes. Having a smooth and efficient post-production workflow can save you time and ensure high-quality results. 14. Available accessories and add-ons. Consider the availability of accessories and add-ons for your chosen DSLR camera. These can include external monitors, camera rigs, stabilizers, lenses, external recorders, and more. Having a wide range of accessories available for your camera allows you to customize your setup according to your specific filmmaking needs. It also provides room for growth and expansion as you progress in your filmmaking journey. 15. User reviews and recommendations. Before finalizing your decision, take the time to read user reviews and recommendations about the DSLR camera you are considering. Online forums, filmmaking communities, and professional reviews can provide valuable insights into the camera's performance, reliability, and user experience. Learning from the experiences of others can help you make an informed decision and avoid potential pitfalls. 16. Future-proofing and upgradability. Technology is continuously evolving, and it's essential to future-proof your investment in a DSLR camera for filmmaking. Consider the camera's ability to support firmware updates, which can bring new features and improvements over time. Additionally, check if the camera is part of a robust camera system that offers regular upgrades and advancements in technology. Choosing a camera that allows for upgradability will ensure that you can adapt to emerging filmmaking trends and advancements without having to replace your entire camera setup. 17. Brand reputation and support. The reputation and support of the camera brand should also factor into your decision-making process. Look for well-established camera brands that have a track record of producing reliable and high-quality products. Consider the availability of customer support, warranty coverage, and after-sales service. Investing in a reputable camera brand can provide peace of mind and ensure that you have a reliable support system in case you encounter any issues or require assistance. 18. Size, weight, and portability. Filmmakers often need to be mobile and work in different shooting locations. Therefore, the size, weight, and portability of the DSLR camera should be considered. Look for a camera that is lightweight and compact without compromising on essential features and performance. This will make it easier to carry and transport your camera equipment, ensuring that you can capture moments wherever your filmmaking journey takes you. 19. Sample footage and image quality. To assess the camera's image quality and performance, seek out sample footage